Pizza lover. You like the sauce? How's the flavor? It's really good?
Burritos
You don't have to eat the whole thing. I have something to tell you. Got my pizza set up. Dough is getting ready. Cutting boards with the racks. My pizza pans. Got my sauces. Red sauce, pesto sauce, olive oil. I'm about to get my cheeses shredded. Get my toppings ready. But today I'm doing something special. I'm gonna add anchovies. And I'm not gonna tell the kids.
What?
These are the friendly kind. See, normally they're really big, but these ones are baby ones, but still has that umami, that flavor. So we're gonna see, one, if they notice, and then two, when I tell them, they eat more. First, I'm gonna get my garlic olive oil going. So peel the garlic, put it into the olive oil, and then I'll be using that for both the pizza sauce as well as the broccolini. Oh, I don't know what's going on with it.
Turn off the TV. Don't worry, Mia. Just turn it off manually. I can't.
Now time to shred the cheese. I'm using a whole milk mozzarella cheese. Parmesan cheese. Today I'm gonna grate the Parmesan cheese using a food processor. It's easier to apply to your pizza when you do that. Just cut this up to chunks, set up the food processor, and process. Cheese done. Secret.
I just have one.
Thank you.
Is this good?
Nope.
Oh, Dala says hi, Mia. Oh my God. This wants rice. Yeah, you're gonna eat with mommy. Okay.
Onions. Anchovies.
Actually, you need to eat it. Ready, and then we're gonna go. Looks really good.
They're gonna get better as I practice again.
Yeah, JB.
White wine.
So I did soy bean paste instead. Or like the original version of that.
Red sauce.
Some people before, but that's actually the yummy. Ooh, the fiesta this weekend. How fun. Hi, baby. Are you saying hi?
It's secretly inside of there. Just gonna flavor this sauce, and it's gonna be underneath the cheese on the cheese pizza. So let's see if the girls even notice. And then the second pizza, I'm gonna have pepperoni and anchovies. Have to be careful because Mia's over there. She won't eat it if she knows.
I wanted to come on and say hi. We haven't done a live in a minute. Yeah, you're getting rice all over your hair.
There was a problem. I was like, check that your TV is haunted.
They don't know. They really don't know. They're not gonna know. They won't know. Anchovy pizza. First, underneath the cheese. Next, right next to the pepperoni. Alright. Oh, baby. That's looking freaking good. I'm just gonna let it just sing for one more minute. Oh, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo. It's hot. It's hot. Those you know what gives it umami. God, that's so good. I think the girls are gonna love it. Perfect. Look at this girl. She's a pizza lover. What do you think? Was it good? Got a lot of flavor?
Yeah, and the sauce.
You like the sauce? Or you like it drier?
Uh-oh.
Okay. How's the flavor? It's really good? You like that?
Yep. Bake it.
Okay.
Cool.
What's going on here? This is called leoparding. It's good.
I like this one.
That one?
No.
Can we get a plate though?
I don't like it.
Hey, can we get a plate for you? I'm gonna get a plate for you, okay? Don't worry, just eat it.
No, I would just hold you like this. I'll just sniff the oil with it.
Yeah. They don't know. They swore when we bought these at the Wajimaya, they're like, no, 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 no. It's called umami. Anchovies equals umami. All right, the last daughter. You okay?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. Try
Wow.
the cheese
something
pizza.
different.
Please give me your honest feedback.
I'm like kind of full because I ate some.
What?
Because I ate.
What'd you
Because
eat?
he ate so much
Come on.
burritos
You don't
and
have to eat the whole
tacos.
thing. How's the flavor?
It tastes like good, but
Not.
it's something different.
One, I cooked the cheese longer this time.
Oh.
Same cheese though.
I feel like it tastes the same, but some things.
I like it.
So full.
Just try one or two more bites.
I like it. Oh.
But if you don't want to finish it, it's fine. Try the crust. Try this part,
Yeah.
right? Not no, this part, that part, yeah.
But what?
Full.
No vegetables?
You miss mommy? Maybe not. Oh, as you saw, I put the anchovies on there, but before that I Gave them a little olive oil bath. All right, let's go ahead and put that in there all together. So normally I cook the pizza sauce first, but I cook the pizza sauce in the pan, the anchovy pizza sauce. I'm just putting it all in there the classic way, or the way that most people would do it. And it takes about 11 minutes. Anchovy pizza with champagne. I'll take it. Those girls didn't know. Now, after a while, you can kind of taste that umami, borderline fishiness. This one straight up has it right on top. And it's bomb. It's not something I would do all the time, but once in a while. Next on deck, white sauce with mushrooms and bacon. Coming up now. What are you doing? Aren't you supposed to be in bed? How is it? The flavor is really good?
I like the pepperoni.
You like the pepperoni? Hi, Auntie Jazz. Did you not try it?
No?
Did you try it?
Yeah, my mouth
It has eyeballs!
Oh, how's the pepperoni one?
Daddy, I
Is it
don't
for real?
want to try
Good?
eyes.
You don't want to try eyes?
No.
Everyone's gonna try one bite. You girls are gonna try one bite.
Oh no.
Just one. Tiny, it
With
could
the
be the tiniest little bite.
I swear.
With the
Just try one little bite.
Oh, Mia, that's disgusting. Nothing again.
Since you guys don't want to do it so bad, I have something to tell you.
I've been like thinking about this every night. I'm like,
It was on the cheese pizza. And you guys ate it.
That was on
Goodness.
top. So.
thank goodness I didn't know. Thank goodness.
on it?
You didn't say,
It was
ah,
on
look
it,
at
and
the
you
eyes.
guys loved it, and it tasted so good.
I
Look,
did not love it. I
there's
thought
no
it was
more
okay,
cheese. Well, there's
so-
2 slices over
Wait,
there.
wait, but I didn't.
Don't tell
I didn't
Kira.
say it was okay.
It was okay.
I didn't say ew.
But you guys ate it
Yeah, because I had to.
because guess what? Sometimes you should try new things. That was the point I was trying to make. Okay.
Disgusting. The eyes.
Yeah,
How
no
many
wonder
quick
the
to
sauce
get
is so saucy.
By the way, click right here if you want to see my full sourdough pizza recipe. How I make the dough, the whole process, the folding. I have a video. It's really long because it's really detailed.